Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing my October Allure Beauty Box and I will be announcing the winner of last week's giveaway. If you're curious to see about all of that stuff, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be unboxing my October Allure Beauty Box. So Allure Beauty has decided to up their game, and as a result, they've increased the price of their box to $23 a month. Now, I was going to cancel as soon as I found out that they were going to increase the price to $23, but they sent me an email saying that I could continue to get the box for 3 more months at the $15 so that I could experience the upgraded version of their box. So I did do that. So I only paid $15 for this new and improved box. I'll see how it goes. If I'm impressed enough to keep it at $23, I will. If I'm not, then obviously I'll go ahead and cancel. So we're going to go ahead and unbox that today, and I will be announcing the winner of last week's giveaway at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's check out this new and improved Allure Beauty Box. Okay guys, so here's the new box. Nice packaging, great branding. Let's see what's inside this thing. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pop it open. Alrighty, this is what it looks like. And I will take this little pamphlet away. Ooh, they definitely have more stuff in there. Awesome. So the idea for this new box is that they were going to add additional products. So you get more products, and they were going to include more full-size products. So I did go ahead and pull up my box on their website so I can let you know what is full-size and what isn't full-size as I'm talking about the products. So let's go ahead, set this aside here, and start unboxing. All right, so we have the new Topical C. I don't know what that is. So that's what that says right there. Fresh vitamin C, firms fine lines, smooths, and brightens. It's an antioxidant. Okay, so that's what we have here. I'm going to go ahead and just open it because I told you guys kind of what it was, so we don't need to go into any more detail there. Ooh, it's a powder. Hello. Hey, it's a powder. Ooh, how do you use this? Okay, so here it is. I've never seen anything like this, guys, so that's why I'm like lost. I'm sure most of you are probably like, duh. But yeah, I never see anything like this. So 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer, serum, or mixed with water. Apply to clean skin daily. Okay, so this is 0.46 ounces or 15 grams, and it's made in the USA. Hey, awesome. So this, I believe, I did glance and see that it was a full-size product. Yes, this is the full size of this product. So I'm going to go ahead and open their pamphlet so I can tell you guys how much the price of this is. Ooh, $70. Wow, $70 for the 0.46 ounces or 15 grams. Wow, that seems kind of pricey, guys. I'm not going to go into what it says here because that's just somebody's review of the product. So that is in here, 70 bucks. Wow, that's, okay. That's pricey. It better be absolutely amazing. All right, so we're going to set that aside and we'll jump into this. So this is a La Roche, I don't know, Posay Lip Car Balm. It's an intense repair moisturizing cream. Okay, here it is. And if I'm not mistaken, this is also another full-size product, but let's make sure. Oh, no, it's not. No, it is not. Okay. Oh, yeah, definitely not. Here's the inside. Yeah, for sure not. This is definitely like a deluxe sample. So this is 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. This one is made in France. So you apply morning and evening on clean skin. It's fast absorbing texture, non-greasy and non-sticky finish. Appropriate for babies, children, and adults. Oh, well, that's cool. So you can use this for your whole family, essentially. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm always looking for a good moisturizer. Let's hope I don't get too much in my hand. Like the last time I did something like this, I got way too much. And I just wanted to like, you know, kind of see what it was like. So here it is right there. Just a white cream. We're just gonna put it on my hands. It doesn't really have much of a smell, so that's cool. I don't want to drop it. Yeah, so that's really cool. Let's see here. Let me find it in the thing. And the full-size version of this is $19.99 for 400 milliliters. So their little sample was 15 milliliters is what they sent in their little sample. And as I said, this is not a full-size product, obviously. So the full size would be $19.99, which is totally reasonable for something like this. So, hey, if I really, really like it, I'll buy some more. All right. So there's that product. We'll move that aside. And we'll move on to this next one. Ooh, we have a lipstick. Sigma Liquid Lipstick. There you go. That's a great package. Ooh, that's great packaging. All right, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. We all know what to do with lipstick. At least I hope so. Ooh, this is little. She's a little guy. Here you go. There's that. And they also have their logo on this side right here. I hope that, okay, there you go. Yeah, you should be able to see that. And the other side looks like this because I noticed a lot of glare. So let's go ahead and, yeah, this is definitely not full size. What did they send me though? Just so you guys know what the sample size was. Doesn't say. What's vegan? Lightweight satin matte lip color in a timeless deep blood red. Long wearing, non-drying doe foot applicator. Okay, and it is vegan. Oh, here we go. It is 0.05 ounces, this size here. So if I look in the little book here, it's $20 for the full size, which you get is unknown at this time. If I find it for you guys, I'll definitely post it for you, but it does not tell you how much you get in the full size, but this is not a full size product. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what they're talking about. Doe foot. Oh, that's called a doe foot applicator. Yeah, I've seen these, of course. I'm sure we all have, but I didn't know that was called. Awesome. All right, ooh, wow. Hello, red. Wow, look at that. Woo! That is an awesome red, guys. I really like it. So, I mean, if it works as good as it says it does, then it's maybe something that I buy. $20 for the full size. I think that's like about the cost of a good lipstick. So, we'll see how it goes. I mean, it'll last you a while. So, you know, there's that. All right. Let's move that aside. And then we have this Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. Verso, yeah. Here you go. Put it out to the side here so that you guys can see it. This is a firming and smoothing eye serum with retinol 8. Okay, so this is 20 milliliters or 0.67 fluid ounces. That's what you get in this little bottle, and this is a full-size product. So it's small, but it is an eye serum, so you're going to get a lot of use out of this little bottle here because it's for your eyes. So you're going to get a ton of use out of this size. And let's see here. $65 for this size of the product. Wow, it better be super, let me tell you, as they're claiming here. It better be a super eye serum for that price. Oh, look, nice little applicator right there. So, why do I always get too much? Like, honestly, I don't know why I do this on here, guys, because I totally waste the product. Like, that is seriously right there. That little dot is probably 2 uses that I just put on my hand. So, it has a nice smell, but it's very subtle. It's not strong or anything. I'm going to say it feels really good. So, yeah, there you go. On my hand, nothing going on. Like, I don't know, am I less wrinkled or whatever this is supposed to do? So, awesome. So, this is their full-size product of this. And again, it was $65 for this size. Okay. So, there's that one. And then we have this Dr. Jart, I don't know, Ceramidian Cream. What does this do? I don't know. I don't know what this name, here's the name of the cream. I don't know what that name does or means. So apply to entire face evenly to retain healthy, hydrated skin. So it's a moisture retention shield. Okay, so that's what this is. I've seen Dr. Jart in a few of my subscription boxes, so it seems like a popular brand. The full size of this is $48. Now, I am certain, yeah, this is not the full size. The size that they sent me here is 10 milliliters or 0.33 fluid ounces. So this is a deluxe sample. It did not say in here how much, how big the full size is, but if I find that information for you guys, I will post it along with all the other information about this product. So we got this in here. Let's go ahead and give it a quick squeeze and see, yeah. Nothing exciting going on here. It's just, you know, your regular cream. And I'm going to put it on here. It doesn't really have much of a smell either. It's very subtle. Not much going on there. So there's this one. I feel like I got a couple of moisturizing things in here. Like they should spread out what you get, in my opinion. Okay, so the next thing in here is Static Nails nail polish. The color is okay. It's definitely a neutral color, and I'm a bold person, obviously. So, I mean, I will most likely not open this because I can't because of all that stuff I just put in my hands. But nonetheless, I will most likely give this to one of my nieces or something because I don't see myself using it. But the price of this is $16. Bam, dude. Yeah, that is definitely the full size. I mean, most nail polish bottles are this size, so I just want to look and make sure. I'm assuming if it was a sample, it would be a lot smaller, but yeah, this is the full size for $16. I mean, this nail polish better like never come off. I'm just saying, like for a month once I put it on for $16 a bottle. Just saying. Okay, so they put that in there. And we're rounding the end here. So this is a Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Replenishing Conditioner. And it is cruelty-free. I love the picture of the little bunny here. That is so cute. So I do like that they give you both the shampoo and the conditioner. And in this case, they give you the same amount of both. But I can tell you right now, gosh, I don't know. Even for my hair, it does not feel like this would be... I feel like I would need more, but maybe not. Nonetheless, I'm not going to read all about this because I feel like it's self-explanatory. It's a hydrating shampoo and conditioner. That's what this is. So obviously, clearly not the full size. I don't need to look on my little sheet because that is very evident that this is not the full size of this product. Okay, here we go. On the back here, I don't have a price for it though. So I'm going to have to find this one for you guys because they did not put a price for me on this. You can get 20% off of your purchase if you want to buy the full size version of this, but I don't know a price and I do not know how much you get with the full size. Again, I'm sure I will find the information for you, and when I do, I will post it alongside of the screen here explaining everything about this product. Okay guys, so there is one item left in here. What? Oh, I got this in another one of my boxes. It's a Wilma Schumann European Skincare. They're hydrating collagen eye pads. Okay, I have tried these. I've used these. I do like them. I think they work well. You know, of course, this is something that you would need to do regularly to get the kind of results that they're claiming this does. But yeah, I'm not sure that it will tell me how much. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it does. $18. So it's $18. You will get 5 applications for that price. So this obviously would be like a sample because they're giving you one, but you would get 5 in a pack for $18 of this product. I do think it's good. I don't know if it's $18 good, but I do enjoy the product. So, yeah. That's it, guys. That is the new upgraded Allure Beauty Box. I gotta say, I wasn't that impressed with the subscription when I had it originally. I 100% feel that it was worth the $15 I was paying per month for the subscription. So that's why I went ahead and kept it. This one just isn't my favorite. And now that it's $23 a month, I'm definitely going to cancel it because I am a huge fan of BoxyCharm and the Selfie Box. So I'm going to continue to do those 2 boxes. I'm going to eliminate this box from my cycle because it's just, I'm not that impressed with it. I do think the products are good. I 100% feel that this box is worth $23. I'm just not that excited about it. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel my subscription. And that's that. All right. So without further ado, let's get into more fun stuff and let's see who won this contest from last week. Okay, guys, before we get into who won this giveaway, I quickly want to cover that YouTube is in no way involved or affiliated with this giveaway in any way. This is 100% on me. I am using products that I've received in subscription boxes or something that I bought specifically to give away. So now that we got all of that out of the way, let's review the items that are included in this giveaway. So the first thing, I have these impressed nails that it's like a set. So you have the nails and then you have the little decals that you can use on these artificial nails or you can use them on your real nails. So that was the first item in this little giveaway. Then we have the little set here that has the earrings, the necklace, and the watch. I did disclose in the video that the watch is currently like not taking, so you're gonna need one of those little flat batteries to put in the watch. But obviously this is a new item that I've never used, so this is included as well. And then we have the Pixie Rose Oil Blend. So this will also be included in the giveaway. And again, full disclosure, I did open this item when I unboxed it and I smelled it and put it back in. I did not touch the inside contents of the jar in any way, shape, or form. So that's in there. And then finally, we have this cute little purse. I love this purse, but I will never use this purse. It's just not something that I would ever use. So this was something I got in my FabFitFun starter box for my mom. The value of this is $58. So there you go, guys. Those are all the items that are included in this giveaway. So without further ado, let's see who won this thing. Yay, Lois! So guys, Lois is on a roll. She won yesterday's giveaway as well, and I just want to make it very clear that I have no control over who wins these giveaways, contest, whatever you want to call it, because all I do is go through and find all of the qualifying comments using the words that I said that you needed to use, and I take those names, I put them into the random name picker, and whatever happens after that is literally random. I have no control over it. But congratulations to Lois. In case you guys did not catch yesterday's video, Lois does have her own channel, Life with Lois. Make sure you check her out. She's really fun to watch. She has all kinds of fun stuff going on her channel, so just make sure that you jump over, check out what she has going on, and if you like it, subscribe. I'm subscribed. I love watching her, and I'm sure that you will too. So congratulations to Lois. Lois, go ahead and get a hold of me at my email address at meeks@amazars.com, and we will work out shipping all of your winnings in one box to you very soon. So again, congratulations, Lois. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have lots more fun DIYs coming up. I have been working my butt off. I know I keep telling you guys that, but you haven't seen any videos yet, but they're coming, I promise. So make sure that you're subscribed and you've clicked that notification bell so you don't miss any more of the fun stuff I have going on here. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Okay, yeah, let's get started. There's no lights. I look terrible. Oh my gosh. So Allure Beauty has decided to up their game, and as a result, the box price increased. Lost my train of thought. All right, try it again. And in today's video, I will be unboxing my Allure Beauty Box. I should say for October, right? Yeah, let's do it again. And in today's video, I will be unboxing my October Allure Beauty Box. I started dancing before I was like, Allure Beauty Box. Woo! All right, try it again. Ugh. And in today's video, I will be unboxing my October... That was way off. Wow. All right, try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber Meeks. I don't know why I can't do this intro. Wow, try it again. And in today's video, I will be unboxing my October Allure Beauty Box. And yeah, that's so exciting. Woo! Oh, why can't I do this? What's up, gorgeous people? This is Yep, try it again. Now, microphone.